Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing one of my dendrobium which is just given a lot of keikis. You can see small ones. Small seedlings of orchids are called keikis and it lot of nice roots also are developed. So today I will, here also you see lot of roots have come and here two plants are together. So today I will report these keikis and I will show you how I am reporting. Somebody requested me how I am doing it, so this is the way I do. And you can do this thing in the morning. Before doing, you just water the plant. Okay, this plant I am just hanging it like this. So in the rainy season, lot of keikis develop. So today I will show you how I report my dendrobium orchid keikis. You are seeing 4 keikis, 2 are together in this cane. So you should always do this in the morning and you water the plant before removing it. Okay, you can just simply twist it to take it out. It has come. In case if you find difficulty, you can use your scissors, which you should little bit, it is stuck there. Then you can use your scissors to clip it. See, one full plant has come, and let us take one more. I'll show you. The roots are actually it should have taken little bit earlier, before the roots have gone here and there. See, this is a plant. Now what? I'm showing you two plants today. This is one, this is another one. Don't remove when they are very small like this, it won't survive. The roots has to be this at least this much long. And now what I do is, see, I have prepared a hanging pots made of coconut husk like this. See, I have made, I will be hanging it like this. I showed you the mother plant, no? So I have just made hanging thing. Now what I do is I'll keep the plant inside this coconut husk slowly. So once you water the plant, it will become, the roots won't be very brittle, so you can just keep them inside. Okay, slowly you keep inside and fill it with charcoal. Charcoal is nothing but what you get out of burning the wood, no? This is how I repot one. Since this is a small coconut husk, you need only small pieces. Only this much. So what I do is I'll just hang it just like the mother plant which I showed you. Like this I will hang. I will show you one more repotting. this cake is little bit small, so I am for keeping it very slowly inside. The cake has to be outside the shell. It should not get squashed inside. That you have to be very careful. And then we'll put small charcoal pieces that we can buy from the shop. Here is available for kg some 40 rupees or something. This I have bought some 1 year back, so I am not very sure what is the price now. So the charcoal will absorb the water and it will release the water whenever it is the plant need the water. Okay. See, like this I have done it. Where is her? That small cakey which is inside is not squashed. It can always come out. This is how I make. Some 1 or 2 are also there. I will do all the thing and I will show you everything together. See, I have reported all 3 cakeys. Each one have 2 cakeys have developed because of the rain. It has given me nice cakeys. It's pink flower actually. It comes pink flower. And I'll be hanging this under my mango tree. But now there is no sunlight, no, so that's why I have hung it nearby the pillar. Hope you like the video of reporting my Dendrobium cakeys. If you like the video, press the like button. Thank you for watching.